In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the word count in a Google Docs document. This is a simple, yet incredibly useful feature, especially for writers, students, and anyone dealing with documents where word count matters. Whether you're aiming to meet a specific requirement or simply curious about your document's length, knowing how to efficiently find the word count in Google Docs can save you time and help you stay on track. To get started, ensure your document is open in Google Docs. With the document on your screen, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you will see several options, but the one you need to focus on is labeled Tools. Click on Tools, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Among the options presented, you'll find Word Count. Click on Word Count, and you will see a pop-up window appear in the middle of your screen. This pop-up is quite helpful as it provides a comprehensive overview of your document's length. Within this window, you're presented with a variety of useful information, including the total number of pages and words. It also shows you the character count, both with and without spaces. This can be particularly beneficial if your task requires you to consider the length in terms of characters rather than words. One of the great features of Google Docs is that it allows you to run a word count for the entire document as well as a selected portion. If you've only highlighted a section of text, the pop-up will show the count solely for that selection, offering flexibility when working with larger texts. Now, here's a handy tip you might find useful. If you're someone who likes to keep track of your word count as you type, Google Docs provides an optional feature for this. At the bottom of the pop-up window, there is a checkbox labeled Display Word Count while typing. By checking this box, you enable a live word count to appear at the bottom left corner of your Google Docs window. This feature can be a game changer for those who prefer staying constantly updated with their progress without interrupting their writing flow to check back manually. That's it. You're now equipped with the know-how to efficiently use the word count feature in Google Docs. Whether monitoring your writing for assignments, professional documents, or personal projects, these simple steps can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.